Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study using your notes. First, let's get organized. Begin by gathering all your notes from lectures, readings, and discussions into one central location. Make sure everything is legible and complete. Take a few moments to fill in any missing information. Establishing a consistent organizational system, perhaps with color coding for different subjects or using digital folders, will save you valuable time later. This initial preparation is crucial for effective study sessions. Next, let's master active recall, a powerful study technique. Instead of passively rereading, transform the main points of your notes into questions. Then, cover your notes and actively try to answer these questions from memory. This process forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening your understanding. Consider using physical flashcards or a digital spaced repetition system like Anki to optimize your review schedule. Aim for at least 3 to 5 recall attempts per key concept. Now, let's deepen your understanding through elaboration. Connect new information from your notes to concepts you already grasp, building a richer mental framework. Try explaining complex ideas in your own words, perhaps even out loud, as if you were teaching a friend. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Creating concise summaries or visual mind maps can also help you see the relationships between different ideas, making the material more cohesive and memorable. Spend about 15 minutes on this for each major topic. Finally, reinforce your learning by reviewing often. Instead of trying to cram everything into one long session, schedule regular, shorter review periods, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes daily. Actively practice applying the concepts from your notes to real-world problems or hypothetical scenarios. This helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for diverse questions. Always identify your weak areas and dedicate extra time to revisiting those specific sections of your notes. Consistent effort yields the best long-term results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.